Good morning, friends. I'm here in St. John's, Newfoundland, and I was chopping some wood for firewood to burn it in winter, and I thought I should make a brief video just to show how I do it. So, most importantly, you have to have the right footwear, and you have to have gloves on, and you need to use the safety precautions. And so I have a few logs over there, and first I have to cut them. So I use this bow saw and to cut them, and then once I have these logs, I chop them, and I use the proper axe for that, which is sharp and it's thick here so that it can chop them. If the logs are big, they have many knots in them, or if they are wet, then axe won't split them. So I have to use a chisel, and I have two types of chisels. This is a self-made sort of chisel in the sense that it's basically an old axe head. So I use this primarily, and once the wood gaps, I use this to split it or remove this out of the wood. And here is a sledgehammer that I use to push them in. So I'm going to just briefly show. I'll cut one piece from the log, and then I will split a couple of the chunks, and then let's get started. Now, where are my gloves? Stay here. So as you can probably tell, this is a very good exercise, and I don't use any electric or power tools for this purpose, because this gives me a good exercise. And so slowly I get the logs, junk them, and then split them, and then use them in winter as an added source to the electrical heating. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.